water heater is being installed. So this is a 200 liters solar water heater, and this costed roughly around 22 to 23,000 rupees, and I got it directly from the dealer. So we are going to just set this up. So one important thing to remember after setting up the solar water heater is you got to turn on the water inlet only in the early morning, somewhere around 5 a.m. or before 6 a.m. because the complete solar water heater should be in a cool down state, or else if you turn it on during the day or in the evening, the chances of the solar tubes getting affected is very high. So make sure you turn on only in the early morning.
ಬೆಂಡಾಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬೇರೆ ಅದೇ
So this is how the entire setup looks after doing everything. So let me tell you how the piping has also been done. So that's where we have the overhead tanks, and from there a pipe is running down. Okay, so you could see the pipe that is coming down, and from there we have taken the connection for solar water heater, and we also have kept that knob there, which using which you can turn it on or turn it off. So this should always be on. Okay, so and it just goes like this, and let me show you. So this is that pipe which is going on the other side. Now let me show you where exactly that is connected. So you could see this is where it is connected, and this is the inlet for cold water. So this is 200 liters capacity, and this costed roughly around 23,000 for me. So that's the price of this. I think 22 to 23,000, that's the price that I got this for. This may or may not be available on Amazon, but I am going to give you the link of the product which is there, and also I can give you the link of the product which has a good rating as well. So you can just click on the link in the description, and you should be able to find the products which have a good rating related to solar water heater. Now one other thing that I want to say is, like, see, so this is the hot water outlet. Okay, and you can see this is where you can actually turn it on or off. You also have the control here, and this pipe, okay, so this should be the height of this should be more than the tank, water tank. Okay, so you could see that's where the overhead tank is, and the height of this should be higher than that. Okay, so that's how it should be, and you could see, like, the chance of this pipe bending for wind is high. So that's where I have also put across a steel pipe, so which actually gives it a support. So that's the steel pipe also, what you can see, which acts as a support. So one good thing is, like, even with low sunlight, still you get very good hot water in this. So these tubes are really effective, and it produces a very good hot water. So you could see the weather now. Right now it's around 9:30 a.m. but still there is no sun outside, but we can certainly may get warm water or hot water next day morning. So that's how effective it is. So this is how it has been connected. So you could see how the tubes have been connected. So they have also put this rubbers around it. So this is how the tubes are connected, and on the other side, let me just show you on the other side. So it actually just sits on the clamp kind of thing that they have made. Okay, so this is how it is, and you can see just inside. Okay, so that's how they are. So I really felt that these tubes are effective. There was one of the tube that was damaged while we were doing some construction work that was still going on, and I think it roughly costed around 1,000 rupees for me to replace that tube, including the service charge and everything. So link for this product in the description. You can just click on that and certainly go for it. I'm going to suggest maybe one or two